Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I know it's been about a full month since I posted a video here on my channel, but I've just been extremely busy. Running a business takes so much out of you. It takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of energy, and honestly, it takes a lot of focus. So that's where I put all my focus to. So I'm trying my best to bring back some focus to the YouTube channel and stuff. But anyway, guys, obviously you guys can tell by the title, I recently picked up an E9X M3 and I'm extremely happy with this purchase. Honestly, having an E9X M3 has been on the list for some time now, and I finally was able to make it happen. You know, I've been busting my ass, you know, just working hard, and I was able to get one. I'm not even gonna lie with you guys. Honestly, I wanted an E92 M3. I'm not even gonna lie, but I recently fell in love with the E93 body styles because even though it's a hardtop convertible and they kind of try to make it seem like it still looks like a coupe, you guys can obviously tell the difference. But there are a few E93 M3 builds out there that look so sick. Just to name one off the top of my head is Cartel Funds. He had the Liberty Walk E93 M3 and that thing looked so sick. Like, some of the pictures with the top down look amazing. So I'm not saying I'm gonna go wide body, I'm just saying the convertible does have potential. And honestly, I didn't pick up this car to have the fastest car or anything, because I know the E93 M3 does add an additional 400 pounds because of the hardtop. So I was completely aware of it. I did tons of research beforehand. So I'm really excited to start the build on this car because this is something, like I said, I've been wanting to do for some time now. Also, I do know the S65 engine does have a few preventative maintenance things that I'm going to need to do. I'm aware of it. I talked to a few buddies of mine who have an E9X M3 and they let me know exactly what I should do, you know, just to make sure nothing happens to my engine and stuff. So I definitely am going to do that. But yeah, guys, that's just a long story short. I'm extremely excited to start this build, and also I just want to give you guys a quick update on the M6. I know I was posting videos about the M6 and I just stopped. Well, that's because a lot of things have been having delays and they're out of my control. There's nothing I can really do. Things are finally starting to happen. I got majority of the parts that I'm going to be doing on that build, so that build's going to be starting really soon. I'm going to be filming a separate video on that just to kind of explain to you guys what I have planned and what I'm going to do, and then show you some of the parts that I did get for the M6. But yeah, guys, enough of me talking. Let's go outside and check out the M3. Yeah, guys, we're gonna start off with the interior. The interior is full black. We got full black leather seats, full black all around. Let's actually step in so you guys can check it out more closely. It came with carbon fiber trim. This is a weird type of carbon texture. Honestly, I don't like it too much, so I'm definitely gonna replace this with actual gloss carbon. Same here with the middle console. I've seen a lot of E92 M3s and stuff with the carbon fiber all around here, so I'm definitely gonna replace that. Those are future mods coming soon. But the seats were overall in really good condition. I was expecting the door handles and stuff like the steering wheel to just have a lot of wear and tear, but everything was in really good condition. This car is a 2011, so whoever had it took really good care of it. I almost feel like an enthusiast had it, but the more I look around and just see how things are, I don't think a car person owned this car. But yeah, guys, everything is very stock inside. There's more mods to come very soon. The interior is a little outdated, as you guys can see. Coming from like an F chassis, like my F30, my M2 competition, even my M6, it's completely different, but I like it in here. It's a lot more simple, it's a lot more basic. One thing that I don't miss is these cup holders right here. My first BMW was an E92 328, and I remember I spilled coffee one time right here. Actually, my girlfriend spilled coffee, and it was a freaking nightmare. So I'm not excited and I'm not happy to have those cup holders back, but I guess they'll do. I have no other option. I can't wait to put a carbon fiber steering wheel right here, or Alcantara. I'm not too sure what I'll do. Put some new paddles and stuff eventually. For any of you E92 M3 or E90 owners, you guys probably won't have this button right here. This button retracts my hardtop, so I guess this is the look cool button right here when I want to open this up, say I'm at the beach or something. So I'm gonna drive literally across the street, guys. This is an empty parking lot because I want to show you guys around the car, and it's just too tight inside my garage. You guys heard that cold start? It sounds like insanely quiet. I cannot wait to add an exhaust on this car. It's gonna be so sick, but we'll get into that in another video, guys. So I know I shouldn't be out filming because it's not essential, but I'm gonna go to an empty parking lot over here to show you guys the car because it is too tight inside my garage, and there's some parts in there I don't want to show you guys just yet. Hell yeah, stock pulls for the win. Oh my god, it sounds dope. It sounds good with the stock exhaust. Like, I'm in for a real treat if I think that sounds good.
3 hours later.
So here's just a quick walk around real quick before we talk into detail. E93 M3 convertible, stock exhaust. Definitely gonna change that soon. Monster truck height gonna get fixed very soon. But yeah guys, quick walk around before we actually get into details with stuff. Super clean. Whoever had this car before, again, took care of it so well because the paint is like in immaculate condition. Definitely going to get this car ceramic coated very soon and possibly full clear bond all the way around just to protect the paint, or maybe wrap it, I'm not too sure. But yeah, we'll see what happens guys. All right guys, so we're gonna first start off with the wheels. Surprisingly, this car came with some pretty nice wheels. I'm honestly not too sure which brand they are, but fitment is pretty good. You guys see from this angle, if I were to lower the car, which I am, I'm not too sure when, it's gonna sit pretty nice. But honestly, I don't like the color. It's like silver on silver just doesn't go good. If maybe the face was like a gloss black, or vice versa, the lip was gloss black and the face was silver, it will look a lot better, but this is just too bright for me, honestly. So definitely gonna change those out soon, or possibly just get them repainted. I'm not too sure. So starting off with the front guys, obviously completely stock. We got the orange reflectors that need to go very soon. Still have the chrome grills. The car came with a license plate, so I took those off, so I left those holes. Gonna get those patched up. We're gonna need to add a front lip ASAP. So I gotta change these lights out really soon because they're yellow and they look really ugly. They're like completely outdated. So I'm definitely gonna get those fixed up. Maybe have Masterminds do custom headlights in the front. A few buddies of mine are running their headlights and they look so sick. So definitely gotta get those changed out. Gotta put these in carbon fiber or gloss black, I'm not too sure yet. There's a lot of things I gotta do. This trim right here needs to get gloss black as well because I'm not a fan of silver or just any type of chrome. Also, one thing I did check before I took the car from the dealership is that I made sure the car had no holes underneath the side skirts, the front bumper, and the rear bumper. Pretty much that indicates if it did have holes that someone mounted side skirts, a front lip, and a rear diffuser. But this car checked out. There were zero holes or anything. So I know no one had the car like fully modded and then they put it back to stock and turned it in, so that's a big plus in my book. Moving on to the rear, so this is where it gets pretty controversial. A lot of people don't like the way the rear looks because they think the convertible makes it look kind of silly or just funny, but in my opinion, I still think it looks really good. It does look a little different than the E92 obviously because you can see they have that brake where the convertible does go up and goes down inside the trunk, but I still think it looks really good. Once I add a bunch of aero and lowered and stuff, it's gonna come together. I honestly know right now it might look a little silly with these wheels stock high and stuff, but I think it's gonna come together guys. So guys, before we continue with the video, I just want to show you guys real quick how the convertible top goes down because obviously this is E93 M3, we got to show that off. So all you need to do is hold this button down and all the windows will automatically go down, you guys can see. Then the top will open and it will retract to the back. Again, this is probably not going to be a big plus in a lot of people's books, especially like true M3 enthusiasts, but I think this is pretty cool actually. Guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. I know this video was nothing crazy, but I just wanted to show you guys the new car that's going to be on the channel. I'm super excited to build this E93. There's not too many out there. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is right here. And then make sure to follow my company's Instagram as well. I will update you guys more with M6 content as far as this build as well. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.
Thank you.